Alright my friends, we have the 2-meter cable plugged into the RX Vega 64 with our butchered eGPU, and we're going to be playing for the next half an hour as many games as we can.
Yes!
I think you want to play Dishonored 2, right?
I do, because we played Dishonored 1 and...
Keep your eyes open.
It took me a bit of time to get used to it, but actually I was kind of hooked at the end of it. By the end of it I was like, you know what, this is
Twists
a cool game.
and turns and all that kind of stuff.
Cheers. Cheers.
Alright, now this game should run fast, but if it runs slow, you have to remember I am recording 60 frames a second at high recording. Alright, easy. Do you want to start the tutorial? Yeah?
With my father in the years after the rat plague. The sounds and smells of Dunwall.
Looks beautiful, the graphics.
Yeah.
This is my
Much
city.
better. Oh, you can see arms now.
Training regiment his father had
My Majesty, let's see what you can do.
Graphics are nice.
It's awesome.
Alright.
Much better.
Alright, well, I just want to see something, yeah? I'm going to just go options and just see how much we, because the graphics card, the fans aren't spinning whatsoever, so I'm going to just switch it up and make it 1440p.
Oh my god, my eyes feel so much clearer.
Or is it nicer? So I'm recording again, and quality is still set to auto.
No, I feel like it's a lot clearer.
Yeah? Alright.
Yeah, my eyes feel really sharp.
Okay, so we're at 1440p now, and it's still at 50 frames a second. The ladder climbing is still stupid. What do I do?
Jump on
spend every day running.
Yeah, still running at 50 frames a second. You know what I'll do? Just sorry, I know I'm disturbing this game.
You
I just
are.
want to see how fast this game can go. So VSync, I've turned VSync off, and we're hitting 60 frames a second. So it's no longer 50. And I'm just gonna make the quality set, because right now it's all at automatic quality. So I'm gonna say ultra.
Whoa.
That's I don't think that's gonna run. Yeah, that one's going. Let's see. It's running at ultra. This is maximum graphics basically. We're getting 58 frames a second, 49 frames a second. So this is ultra settings, everything's turned up, and we have some good stuff happening. Alright, 52 frames a second.
If you're quick enough for the jump hold.
Hey.
It's really good quality, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Alright, ultra settings, 2016 game, 59 frames a second. I like it. And the
It's
fans
impressive.
aren't spinning. Oh.
Whoa.
Oh, I got stuck in the wall. So this is Metal Gear Solid 5, and this is the fans of Metal Gear Solid 5, how it's playing, and frame rate looks good. Just gonna see if you can hear any fans at the moment. It's coming straight out of my MacBook Pro. Gonna go kill some baddies. There you go. We've got a little bit of fan action. Let's see how loud they sound. Very quiet. And they spin right down. So the maximum the fans went is 1,571, but on average they went to 1,300. But to be honest, most of the time they weren't actually on. And this is if you understand what this stuff means, then Nobel Peace Prize can go to you.
Estaré aquí toda la noche.
¡Hey! ¡Cuidado, niños!
Hey, I wish I was coming home to her.
Yeah, just wait till we hit Paris.
Seems like a long way off. Remember, no digging in at the shore. Gotta advance. You need to stay low and do not bunch up.
The Bangalore to the wire! Fast! Everybody ready! Here we go! Off the ramp! There's no cover! That was an order, goddammit! Drop it!
Get your head down and keep moving!
Woo! Look at that! 53 frames a second, maximum resolution. Let's get down and let's keep moving.
Get to the seawall! I'll meet you there! Daniel, get the Bangalore! Use the banger! I'll cover you! After we breach, keep pushing towards the bunker!
Good luck. Control, do me a favor and get that bird in the air ASAP. Hear that? Okay, here we go. Looks like bombers have been located.
Caution.
It's showtime, Trigger. Let's see if you can handle the spotlight. You're a good pilot, or so I told them. I had to fill an empty spot, so play along. Enemy bomber confirmed down. Good job, Mage 2. Not bad, Mage 2. Trigger, switch your radar. See if you can locate the enemy. There it is, sitting there all pretty, just waiting to be taken. They're way overhead. Let's go introduce ourselves. Watch out for the support aircraft. Column 3, Fox 2. Rifle 3 engages. Evade missile. I maneuver behind the enemy. This is Rifle 2. Locked on bed. Bandit is in my sights. This is Michael 1. I'm spiked. Mates 2 has crashed.
You don't clearly have no one to pass to, so
Foul.
what about who fouled who?
You.
I fouled you. I did not even touch you. See, now I know why they get so upset. Because all fake news.